Hello, namaste, and welcome back. Yes, it has been a while since I had my last video up. This video that follows is an extract of an entire 1 hour long session that we had at the Mindful Living community. In case you want to watch the whole video, you must go to the description. I will leave a link to the full video there and you can see that. This video is meant for all professionals or working people who are at the mid level. अगर आप अपने करियर में मिड लेवल पर हैं एंड यू आर एट दैट पोजीशन वेयर यू सीम टू बी स्टक, आपको अभी समझ में आ रहा है कि आगे क्यों, और यू आर इन अ सिचुएशन वेयर यू फील कि औरों का प्रमोशन हो रहा है बट यू आर नॉट गोइंग थ्रू, वेल देन दिस इज वेयर यू शुड बी कमिंग. सो थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर. वॉच दिस वीडियो. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको अच्छा लगेगा एंड यू विल फाइंड सम वैल्यू इन दिस. ओके, एंजॉय द वीडियो. Thank you so much for being here. And of course, yes, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Ciao. So thank you so much, Ashish sir, first of all, for getting me here. It feels really good to meet all of you. I have been a part of this group, this community, and today especially happy to be, speaking and sitting on the hot seat. Yeah, it really feels hot. I have the AC right next to me, and we're going to have some good time. Hello and welcome everyone to this fantastic program, this Power Pack program I call the EP Code, right? And as Ashish sir said, I really, really want to appreciate all of you and so many of you for being here today. It is a Saturday, a weekend, and you could have been anywhere else. Okay, and you are here because you have continued to find value in this community. And I promise you that I shall live up to your expectations and we will find more value today too, right? So who am I really? Let me talk a little bit about myself before we get into talking about you. I'm a coach, but more importantly, I'm a practitioner coach. I practiced and I achieved success and time and again, always getting back to newer heights, even if I'm thrown off. Experience behind me and having impacted 100,000 people, I can tell you that I have mastered this formula. And what is this formula about? It is about an awareness you need to bring about in terms of who you are, what you do, and how you do what you do. So if you are a mid-level or a senior working professional, or for that matter, anything that you're doing in life, there is something beyond the hard skills you have discovered and something more than the performance that gets people to rise in the organization, in the jobs, or whatever else that you're doing. I'm sure we all have had our what does she have that I don't moment. Like bala uski kameez meri kameez se safed kaisi. You have seen a colleague who you thought was just as good as you are, had similar or sometimes lesser achievement, and yet got the promotion that you did not. Or you have come across people who you thought were more deserving, and yet someone else got that promotion, a better job, a fatter pay, something better than what you had and you deserved and you desired. What is that X factor? That's something that takes people up that corporate ladder. Tom Cruise has it, so does Amitabh Bachchan. I'm sorry. Tom Cruise has it, so does Amitabh Bachchan. You want to go watch the movies. Roger Federer has it, Virat Kohli has it, MS Dhoni. You want to go watch them play, listen to them. You want to, make the most of meeting and interacting with them. Your favorite boss or leader has it. That's something that it is different. That it is what I call, on what we all know, is executive presence. Or when you put it simply, it is just presence. And no man or woman ever attains a top job, lands an extraordinary deal, or develops a significant following without this heady combination of confidence, poise, and authenticity that convinces the rest of us that we are in the presence of someone who is the real deal. So this executive presence is what I call EP code. And if you are able to master this, the technique or the tools that I'm going to offer and present to you, what you will achieve is you will be able to crack this EP code. And once you crack the EP code, you are a master of whatever you want, you desire. Performance, of course, all of us are here to do that. And this EP code, I want to call it as the PI, the P, I, and E. And soon I'm going to talk to you about what this PI is all about. So this pie, the P of the pie is performance. Okay. The E is the exposure, and the I is what I call image. Okay. Now, performance. Let's talk about performance a little bit. Performance is about, if you're in a corporate job, or it is about something that you're supposed to do, something that you are meant to do, you're accountable for, you're expected to do. That is what performance is all about. If you're an entrepreneur, your performance is a direct measure of how you are going to achieve your business results and what you're going to achieve. It is about what you do and how well you do that. The bedrock of whatever you do will be your performance, right? And the smaller percentage will be exposure, but it is important, it is critical, and it has a weightage which is extremely important. The next is, you can call it by different names, but I call it image. Now, what image is and what image is not, okay? What image is not is about pleasing the boss. It is not about making the boss happy. It is not about perception management. I behave one in front of some people, and I behave something else in front of, away from them. Image is about what makes you you. Image is about who is that, who is that person really? Are you being your part? Are you behaving like the role that you are? And are you presenting yourself as if you are ready for the next role that you aspire for? That image, the way your stakeholders see you, that is image. The way they perceive you, that is image. And so it may sound a little esoteric, it may sound a little confusing, but I have simplified it for you, because then there can be again another acronym I'm going to give you, which is LEAPS. All in all, I can say above all of this, what matters is that your you-ness is the most attractive thing about you. Your you-ness, mind you, okay? And be unique. That is going to be critical. If you are able to put all of this together, what you will achieve is nothing but achieving your cracking your EP code. Where do you begin? Where do you start? Right? So I'm going to give you 3 important starting points to this. How do you start? So that gives you another acronym. ICE. ICE. So I've given you a bunch of acronyms, and that becomes a way to crack your EP code.